In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Adobe Express's background remover. Now, this is actually really easy to find and really easy to use. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is scroll down to here where it says Suggested Quick Actions, and we have the background remover just here. Now, if we click on here, we then want to upload the image on what we want the background removed from. So let's go to here, let's take this, let's drag that into there. It's going to work its magic, and now the background has been removed. So as you can see, it's extremely easy to use the background remover here in Adobe Express. Now from here, we can simply click download, then it's going to download. Now we also have the option to open up in editor, and now we can actually start designing with our images. Now I do believe the background remover is a paid feature. So if we come over to this incognito window for a second, we can see that they have the free plan, and with the free plan, you do actually get a lot of features. But if we look here, the premium plan is only $9.99 per month, and if we look just here, features like drag and drop video, remove background from images and video is actually a premium feature. But if you want to come through and check out Adobe Express, then I will leave a link for this down in the description below, because this is something that I'm playing around with to test it out, and so far I'm really enjoying it. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a like, as it does really help out the channel, and if you're not too sure what to watch next, then click right here and watch this playlist.